Hey everyone, and welcome back to Only Social. Want to make your TikTok posts blow up? One of the fastest ways is using trending sounds. And guess what? You can now add trending songs directly from Only Social, whether you're posting a video or an image post. Plus, you can now manage all your TikTok comments and DMs right from our unified inbox. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find, preview, and attach trending songs to your TikTok posts, and also how to respond to comments and DMs. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, I need to share a critical update. Due to TikTok's latest changes, all users must delete and reconnect their TikTok profiles to continue using features like trending songs, comments, and DMs. To do this, go to social accounts in your Only Social dashboard. Find your connected TikTok account, delete the account, then click Add Account and follow the prompt to reconnect your TikTok profile. Now let's create a new post. Select TikTok as your platform. Upload your video or image as you normally would. Start by choosing who can watch the video or image. You can select options like everyone, friends, or only me, depending on your audience. Next, decide what you want to allow viewers to do with your video or image. You can toggle on or off. Comment, let viewers leave comments. Duet, allow others to duet with your video. Stitch, permit stitching your video into theirs. These settings give you control over engagement and how your content can be reused. Now, for the fun part, attaching a trending song. Click on Search and use Trending Song. This opens up a powerful search panel that helps you find the perfect commercial sound for your post. Here's how to find the best trending track. First, select a genre to narrow down your search, whether it's pop, hip-hop, rock, electronic, or any other category. Next, choose your country code. This is important because trending sounds vary by region. For example, selecting United States, US, will show you songs currently trending with US audiences. Then, set your date range. You can choose from options like 1 day, 7 days, 30 days to find recently popular tracks. Finally, you can search by track name, artist, or sound ID if you already know what you're looking for. The search results will show you a list of trending songs with key information, rank number, how popular the sound is currently, track name and artist, duration of the song, and use sound button to select the track. When you find one you like, simply click Use Sound to attach it to your TikTok post. If you don't see what you're looking for, click Refresh to load more trending options. TikTok now requires transparency when content is created or edited with AI. Toggle on AI-generated content to add this label automatically to your video. This tells viewers that your content was generated or enhanced using artificial intelligence tools. Next, you will see the content disclosure setting. Turn this on if your video promotes goods or services in exchange for something of value, like payment, free products, or other incentives. Next is where you choose who you're promoting. Your brand. Select this if you're promoting yourself or your own business. The video will be classified as brand organic, branded content. Select this if you're promoting another brand or a third party. The video will be classified as branded content. Before you schedule or publish, keep in mind this important note. After publishing, it may take a few minutes for the video to process and be visible on your profile. Also, by posting, you're agreeing to TikTok's music usage confirmation, which ensures you have the right to use the selected commercial sound in your video. Once you are done with all the settings, you can now schedule your content. Your TikTok post will go live at your chosen time, complete with your trending sound attached, all your engagement settings applied, and ready for your audience to discover. Now let me show you how to manage your TikTok comments and DMs inside Only Social. First, go to your unified inbox from the main sidebar. Once you're there, you'll see all your connected social accounts. Simply select the TikTok account you want to manage. Important note, to manage comments, your TikTok account can be either personal or business. Both work. However, Remember, to manage DMs, direct messages, your TikTok account must be a business account. If you're using a personal account and want to reply to DMs from Only Social, you'll need to switch to a business account in TikTok's settings first. Once you are done, you can now respond to comments and DMs directly from the inbox. No need to open the TikTok app. Reply to your audience, answer questions, and engage with your community, all in one place. This makes it incredibly easy to stay on top of your TikTok engagement without switching between multiple apps or tabs. And that's how you attach trending songs to your TikTok posts and manage your comments and DMs in Only Social. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.